Alright, what's up guys? Say hello, I hope everyone's doing great. Just came back from breakfast. Today we're gonna explore Amritsar. Oh yes, we are here in Punjab, day 9 or day 10. Pretty excited. This is the first time I'm here in Amritsar. Punjab though, this is second time. Last time when we went to Ladakh, we went to Ludhiana. No, Jalandhar. This is the first time I'm here in Amritsar and we're gonna explore. Like, we have 2 or 3 places in mind to do. Last night got really late. I was so sleepy. Today morning I couldn't get up. Abhi editing while you're on a trip. Officially, yesterday was my most stressful day. 5:40 kilometers in hot sun. And then after coming to the room, I did not take a bath directly, hit the gym, and then went for dinner. Luckily, we have a mall right beside. We did not have like authentic food. Today is that plan. We're gonna have some proper Amritsar Punjabi authentic food. After that, came back, took out the laptop, sat for editing. Almost from 10 o'clock till 1:30, 2 o'clock almost. 2:30, 2:20 I slept. The moment I closed my eyes, I was like, I went dead sleep. Morning got up at 6 o'clock because पेट में थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो रहा था. Obviously I'm eating so many carbs and all that. But I'm enjoying my food. I know, because after going home, I'm gonna torture my body. All this 10 months, 11 months, I gave it a good beating. Now is the time to enjoy, reward it a little bit, go back again and start my super high intensity workout and get ripped in 45 days at least. So abhi to everyone is at breakfast. Once they come, before they come, let me get fresh. By the way, we don't have a great view and all that. Oh my god, it is so freaking sunny, dude. Yes, it is mad sunny. Nights is much better. Mornings, mate, is like very, very hot. So I'll get fresh and I'll see you guys. This is one very big problem with packing, you know. I don't know where did I put what. Every time I want a face wash or a body wash or even a chain lube, I have to remove all the 3 boxes and find it. Really don't remember where did I put what. Doesn't matter what toiletries I get, but without fail, one thing for sure I get is a face wash. The most basic thing for cleansing, for removing all the dirt, the grime, the oils, whatever crap that goes onto your face, especially when you're riding. Get a good face wash, a sulfate free one. It works wonders on your face. Currently I'm using the vitamin C face wash by Mamaearth. It is enriched with vitamin C and turmeric. Not only that, it's also got aloe vera, which is very good for your skin. First thing, vitamin C helps with repairing your sun damage. Turmeric has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. You know, all these things help in regenerating new skin cells. Aloe vera, it deeply soothes and moisturizes your skin. Almost khatam ho raha. This whole trip I've been using it. But I have one more pack, so no issues. You know, vitamin C combats photoaging and also boosts collagen, which is very important for your skin. Best part is, it is suitable for all skin types. Also, every time you buy from Mamaearth, they link your order on their website to a tree that they plant, which means you can be a part of this plant initiative. Their aim is to plant at least 1 million trees by 2025, and by buying from Mamaearth, we can be a part of it. Also, Mamaearth's products are all toxins free. They're made up of natural ingredients. Now, avoiding these toxins are not just crucial for your skin, but also for the environment. They can cause a lot of harm to the earth in both production and the disposal. You can use my coupon code SRIMAN2021 and get flat 20% off on Mamaearth. Alternatively, you can buy from Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. So then, let me change my clothes, get ready, and let's explore Amritsar. Best part is we have a connecting room. This is the best part, and this is a curse as well, because these people are coming and stealing all our milk powder, chai,
water bottles,
dabbas, soaps. What's up, bro? Arre wow.
Leather jacket.
Hey. ఇది నార్త్ ఇండియాలో మొత్తం ఇదే లెదర్ జాకెట్ రోడ్ మీద ప్రతి ఒక్కడు.
రోడ్ సైడ్ కొన్నా.
Everyone is wearing the same jacket everywhere you see in North India. ఎక్కడ లేపేసావు? Where did you steal this?
బర్త్డే గిఫ్ట్.
Birthday gift.
ఫియాన్సీ గిఫ్ట్.
Original leather.
ఫియాన్సీ గిఫ్ట్ నేను కొట్టలే కదా.
25, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000 చెప్తా.
12,000. గిఫ్ట్ కదరా ఇట్లా తెలుసు.
డూప్లికేట్ మాల్. నేను శరణ్య తర్వాత మాట్లాడుకుంటాం. ఓకే. What am I doing right now? What am I doing right now? I'm trying to pose. Srujan is clicking my pictures. Time waste అవుతుంది, జల్దీ క్లిక్ చేయి. ఎంతసేపు ఇవ్వాలి పోజ్? స్టాచ్యూ ఆఫ్ లిబర్టీలో ఇలా పట్టుకుని ఉంచాలా? Srujan is giving me a gift from Italy. Switzerland. పట్టుకో ఒకసారి వేసుకొని చూద్దాం. Leather jacket on a white t-shirt looks amazing. Oh, nice. I click some nice pictures with this jacket. Looking amazing, dude. Nice. Ignore all this mess. That is because there are like 3 people in this one single room.
That's it. That's our room.
That's our room. Chalo, let's explore Amritsar.
Okay, thumbs up చెప్పుకోవాలా?
వీటితో ఉంటే ఇదే ప్రాబ్లం. చెత్త పోస్తాడు నోట్లో. థమ్స్ అప్ అంటాడు, పెప్సీ అంటాడు, తర్వాత ఇంకేదో అంటాడు. ఇఫ్ దర్ ఇస్ సంథింగ్ టు త్రో ఇన్ ద ట్రాష్ హిల్ డ్రింక్ ఇట్ ఆర్ ఈట్ ఇట్.
ఈజ్ ద రీసైకిల్ బిన్.
కంప్యూటర్ రీసైకిల్ బిన్ ఎంతనో మా ఇంట్లో సృజన్ అంత. వేర్ ఇస్ ద డస్ట్బిన్, వేర్ ఇస్ ద డస్ట్బిన్? అరే డస్ట్బిన్ అయ్యా. ఓకే. Finally, I thought I'm not saying this word for a long time. Finally, Srijan gave his jacket, that blue jacket for washing. Did they take it?
Yes.
Or did they say?
కొత్త కొనిస్తాను.
ఇందాకేదో రూమ్ లో ఆర్ట్ అన్నావు, దాంట్లో ఒక పీస్ ఇదే.
Art is very nice here. You need to check out in the room.
But you'll never
इतना बड़ा
understand.
frame है, उसमें इतना छोटा आर्ट है. That in one corner. నువ్వు అసలు అర్థం చేసుకోకు.
నాకు అర్థమైంది, నేను చెప్పాను కదా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్.
Oh, he gave a nice explanation. It seems the room is hotel is big but room is small. అందుకే అర్థం చేసుకోకండి.
ఆర్ట్ అది వచ్చిన రూమ్.
As usual, we're doing the same thing. We are booking a cab and going. We're taking a local transport. We don't want to take the bikes and go to Amritsar, Golden Temple and all those places. One thing really appreciated about this hotel is the security here was really concerned about our bikes. We were okay parking it somewhere here, but then they were like, no, let us check it on the camera. Are your bikes visible on the camera or not? We came here and parked it here. But they were like, camera is there, bikes will not be visible, let's park it here. I mean, we were like, okay, yeah, it's okay, this is a nice place to park, no one will come. Camera is there and it covers this place. Good job, thank you so much. Also, I'm not sure if they'll allow all this camera equipment. That is such a huge camera into the temple or Jallianwala Bagh. Let's see, if they don't allow, then I'll have to take the phone and go. Okay, we're taking a cab. Sorry, not a cab, this is an auto ring. Electric auto. Charan, electric. Eerath.
క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలి క్యాబ్ అలా.
Jese cancel. So there are 3 places that we are going to. No, 4 places. So the plan is to go to the Partition Museum. I heard a lot about this. Second place is to go to Jallianwala Bagh. Third place is Giandi Lassi and lunch. Actually, first we are going to a lunch place. It's called Bade Bhai Ka Brothers Dhaba. Sounds fancy. Bade Bhai Ka Brothers. So we're gonna have lunch there. Lassi at Giandi Lassi. उसके बाद Jallianwala Bagh. उसके बाद Partition Museum. And it seems you should see the Amritsar Golden Temple in the nights. It looks amazing. So plan is to see it in the morning, in the daylight and in the night as well. We'll be going at sunset so that we can see it in daylight and in the nights as well. And I think dinner will be having langar.
హోప్ఫుల్లీ.
Why hopefully? We will have. It seems it is 24 hours open. I'm not sure, but this guy is charging us 80 rupees. I don't know how far is it. I think the Golden Temple is around 6 kilometers from our hotel. 6 kilometers, 80 rupees. I'm not sure. Is it expensive? That is electric, na? It is as more expensive than petrol route. Where is the E?
That's we didn't bargain, number one. Uber may we'll see how.
Uber it is showing 160 or something, so still better.
I think if we bargain 60 को आ सकता है.
We could have bargained, but that's okay. यार 20 rupees को क्या bargain करना?
They hardly have any income these days. COVID.
Partition Museum. That is a Partition Museum. Oh, looks historical. Nice. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to vlog here, but let's try as usual. Oh yes, I see brothers ka no. Bade Bhai ka brothers ka dhaba.
Brothers Dhaba. జంటి ఇలా ఆగేస్తారు ఇప్పుడు ఇంకో.
So we ordered special thali. Chaitanya suggested this place. Hopefully it should be good. If it is bad, Chaitanya, we're coming to Hyderabad to kick your butt. So if we check Google reviews, 3,669 reviews, 4.1. But Charan is saying, look at this. I mean, we'll show directly there. Photo में क्या बता? Bharavan the Dhaba. इनका बाय का है 11,761 reviews, 3.9 rating. It's a pure vegetarian restaurant. That's the special thali. I don't know what is what. This is sir raita. ये पनीर, दाल मखनी, छोले, salad, तंदूरी रोटी, पापड़. and fried rice. Basically Punjab mein tandoori roti and butter chicken actually. But here we are not getting non-veg, so I think this should do. Chalo, let's begin and put some heavy calories. Oh, by the way, today 200% I'll hit the gym again. Good?
Good.
Inka sink in kaledu. Taste is getting in.
Paneer, different level.
Next level? Good, good. Let me taste it.
Softer roti.
Arre wow, paneer quality is amazing. It's got a nice tandoor flavor, that cold flavor. Oh, nice. Paneer butter masala, I think I'll give it 9.5 out of 10. Taste is everyone will say no to sweets, but they'll taste it. iPhone ki orti tinpicho.
Sala.
By the way, this is kheer and it is amazing. Like first when you have it, it's okay. It's slowly kicking in, the taste.
Sugar rush na bhaiya.
Very nice. Aram se on the whole, I'll give it 9.5 out of 10 for this dhaba. Rohit, Srujan and Kishore are also here. They're also having the same thing that we had, special thali. But one thing is for sure, if you have this thali, 200, I don't know what they put, 200%, you feel so sleepy. Right now, me and Charan are like, look at him. We are literally drugged. Especially after having kesar. Nice chill, cold kesar. Kesar, kheer. We ordered some chai. Punjab is known for chai, so let's have that. Hopefully it will wake us up. Iske baad we are planning to go and visit the Partition Museum. Actually there's a lassi place as well. I think we'll be doing that. Lassi. Aaj pura khana ka din hai. We're done with Partition Museum. Really emotional stuff, like crazy emotional stuff. If you're like very sensitive, you shouldn't be visiting this place. Next place we're going to is Jallianwala Bagh. Unfortunately, it is closed. Can't help it. I think that's due to the COVID thing. At least we'll go till there and see it from outside. There is the main golden temple. We'll be taking a look now because it's sunset. It's a golden hour. It's gonna look very beautiful. Okay, this is the final place, Gian di Lassi. This was recommended the most. Gian di Lassi, 1921.
एक में वो क्रीम नहीं वंटर रहा
Malai.
एक में मलाई राइट बिना मलाई
How's it? Not as much as it was hyped.
You get this in Hyderabad too.
It's okay. Basic. నేను కూడా చేస్తా ఇది.
I'm okay, I finished mine. And I had a sweet also. Sweet
That is milk Mysore pak.
milk cake.
Milk cake. That was okay. Chalo, came back to the room. Now is the tough part. We'll have to put everything back in the luggage. And this room is smelling so bad, dude. Because of all of this. Especially the closet. It smells really bad. I think we're ordering some food now. Today I don't want to go out and eat. Lunch is only so heavy. Actually, I'm also done. Maybe a small snack because pretty sure in the middle of the night I'll feel hungry. Tomorrow's plan is to go to Dharamshala. Why am I going on saying tomorrow's plan is to go to Amritsar? Just now I said that Pooja as well. నాకు ఏం ఎక్కడ పెట్టానో కూడా అర్థమైతలేదు. GoPro batteries. Sena. I have 2 Senas now. There is one more. One is mine and one is Shiva's. Batteries here, batteries there, adapter here, power bank, phone, protein powder. I got protein powder, 2 boxes of this. I thought I'll diet, I'll be so strict and all. Nothing is happening. Obviously, Amritsar, Patiala, Ludhiana, where will you be on diet? Impossible. I thought I'll go to the gym also today. Time is almost 9:05 now. I don't think I'll be able to do that because tomorrow morning we'll have to get up early and get out from here. We're going to Dharamshala. I think it is around 380 kilometers from here if I'm not wrong. 200 kilometers exactly. 3 hours 59 minutes as of now. I think it should take 3 hours 30 minutes to say poduna. ఇప్పుడు అట్లా పెరిగిపోయింది. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys have liked this video. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Editing I'll start now. Hopefully should finish it in the next 3 hours at least. By 11 I should sleep for sure because last night also I didn't sleep.